I buying more shoes, you know? I'm in a constant state of like that. Oh, it looks like it's Margiela, but it's not. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Sierra. Hey, yeah. This is how my mouth be looking under my hands. I am back with a little haul for real. I know I be saying little. That's because I just be being humble and belittling myself. So I really start saying big, but today is actually a little haul because I don't have much to show you guys. But I wanted to show you guys. And I'm doing it old school style. Everything is in the box. I have not opened the box, so we're gonna open it together. Also, I bought this little lip pencil today. I just went into the MAC store. It looked, I don't know, it was calling my name, I guess. I was on the street and I seen MAC. And it brought back memories to me because I used to be a MAC girl in high school, so I popped in to get Chestnut, Hefty Defty Chestnut. Well, I bought this lip pencil because this is literally the only lip pencil that shows up on my dark lip complexion. The lady at the counter, she was like, oh, she's like, it gives your lips a warmth. I'm like, girl. I'm like, girl, I got black lips with lip liner. But anyway. So as you can see, it goes on. Y'all don't want to see this. I'm just gonna pop in a little B-roll what it look like when it's on.
All right, y'all, so y'all can already tell by the way I put this eyeliner on. Look, eyeliner, lip pencil on that I don't even know what I'm doing for real. So that's why I was just like, let me just fast forward this part. But if anybody want to know what an amateur looks like putting on lip liner, this is what it look like. And then for lip gloss, I just use my lip gloss that costs $1 from the beauty supply store. Girl tried to upsell me at MAC for that little $20 lip gloss. I'm like, girl, no.
And before we get into the unboxing portion of the video, be sure to give this video a like, you guys, if you enjoy the content. Leave a comment as well if you really enjoy it, or if you have any comments to share, leave it down below. I've gotten like maybe a total of 5 people that's been like, what are you getting from Essence? Like, what's your Essence wish list? And I'm like, I don't know. I just am in a constant state of wanting to be less materialistic, although I'm in the very beginning stages of that. But literally, I'm just like, I wanted the replicas, y'all. Y'all already know I love replicas, but I'm just like, well, I have 2 pairs of replicas, a cutoff pair and a whole shoe. And I'm just like, you know, I don't really need another one. What do I need another one for? Like, these are still serving its purpose in terms of the look that it needs to bust with, in terms of holding up in itself, like they're not falling apart and things. So I'm like, why am I buying more shoes, you know? I'm in a constant state of like that. So the pieces that I got in here is serving a purpose for me because I didn't have anything like them. I don't have anything, but this tape with my hard hands can just rip right open. Oh my God, where are the earrings? Okay, I was gonna say, where are the earrings? So I guess we can get into the shoes first because I am a shoe gal. I love me some shoes. And oh, it looks like it's Margiela, but it's not. Oh, and look, it comes with a little bag. I love that. Okay, let me tell you, I don't know why I'm being so secretive. So yes, you guys, we are gonna get into a pair of Alexander McQueen little sandals. And it's so funny, y'all. I have taken on a client to personally style. I'm probably gonna start doing more of this in the future, so be on the lookout for more info about that, or if you like a dire need, email me. But anyway, yeah, I took on a client to personally style, and I was telling her to get these shoes because she's going to Switzerland where she's gonna probably do a lot of walking, and I'm just like, girl, you need you a cute little chic little sandal to throw on. So yeah, she ended up getting these, which I think is gonna be a good choice. But let's actually see what they are looking like. This is actually my first Alexander McQueen piece. Yeah, first Alexander McQueen piece, so yeah, let's get into it. Zero waste is our goal. We have removed systematic repackaging from our process. Love, love, love that. Yeah, so this is gonna serve a purpose for me when I travel, and yeah, it's cute. Like, I'm even wearing a little clutch. Hold on, McQueen. Cause I, look, walking, doing a little errand, put my little swisher and a little lip gloss, a little card holder, baby. Ready to go. So this is what the shoes are looking like, you guys. Get into them, get into them. And these are not everybody's cup of tea. Some of y'all gonna be like, that look like a little grandma shoe. And I get it. But I love a little grandma shoe. So yes, you guys, this, I hope it fit my look. Oh, and they got a Vibram sole. Oh, I can already tell this is just a nicely made little shoe. Vibram sole. Vibram is known to make like really comfortable soles. So that's a plus. And freak, I think I should have got a 39. It looks small, it looks love. It looks love. But nonetheless, it looks comfortable. So So I'm gonna try this on. And the reason why I got these is because I needed a comfortable little sandal to throw on in the summertime. You know, practicality is key for me. And as you can see, this should look very practical, okay? A little Velcro, easy to get into, comfy little sole. It's got a little suede type of texture to it. What really attracted me to these, y'all, is like the side view. Like, I just love how freaking, I don't know, like 4-dimensional that looks, 3-dimensional, I don't know, but like, I really hope they fit, y'all. Dang, I hope they fit. Yeah, my little feet kind of over the edge. Is it? Yeah. I'm literally just not smart. It's just, it's sad at this point. It's sad at this point.
Sure is.
I just like, I don't understand why I keep getting the wrong size. Literally, the more logical person in my head was like, Sierra, get the 39, get the 39. I'm like, no, I'm gonna get a 38. I'm gonna get a 38. These sandals wide, like I'm gonna get a 38. Cause I was thinking they was gonna be wide and flopping off my foot. But literally my feet, y'all, is over the top. And I love these sandals. Oh.
I can shave your toes down.
I win. I love these. I am definitely about to go order the right size as soon as I'm done with this video, because I really love these sandals and I would definitely recommend them if you're looking for a cute little comfortable sandal and you into ugly cute shoes. Me and my friends call it that, but I keep trying to say like, no, it ain't really. It is over the edge. That's such a bummer. So yeah, that is the Alexander McQueen little moment, y'all, and it's super freaking comfortable. Like, this is a nicely made little sandal, and I can tell that I will have it for a very long time. I'm really sad about it. Anyways, getting into something that I know is gonna work for me. These I have literally been eyeing y'all since last year, and it's by this brand, Before Swine. British Columbia, I think that's where they're out of. Oh my god, I didn't do any research, y'all. I am so sorry. But anyway, y'all know I don't buy no trash, okay? So you know it's something to look into. And the reason why I was attracted to this brand is because they do sterling silver, right? I love sterling silver, but the sterling silver that they use is just like kind of like rustic looking and like kind of like smashed in. Like, I love like that worn in type of a look to silver, and that's what they like specialize in doing. So yeah, this is what it looks like when I unbox it. Looks like it comes with like a little poster or something. What is this? Okay, so I got like a little man I can put up somewhere if I want to. So these are the earrings. Check it out, check it out, check it out. And they are 95 sterling silver with a little white diamond. And the little white diamond is from Canada, y'all. One thing that I learned from a jewelry expert, because I used to work with jewelry experts, not like with them doing the same thing, but we all worked at the same place. And she was just telling us about like blood diamonds, which I'm sure we all know about. But she was just saying how it's like really a really big thing. And to buy Canadian diamonds because it's like lab grown and ethically made. I'm gonna show y'all some more footage, but this is what they look straight up out the box. And y'all know I do not take off my Sophie Bouai earrings for nothing, okay? The only time they come out is when they fall out on accident and I have to like tighten the back of one of them. But anyway, I was thinking like maybe I could be a stud girl. Maybe. So let's see. I just popped the little earrings in, y'all, and they are love. They are super little, which I already knew that they were. I just wanted something like subtle that, again, could be worn every day and I don't have to worry about like, oh my god, it's gonna go with this, or oh my god, it's gonna go with that. And I feel like this earring too is cute for people that like to wear like multiple earrings. You know, it can get like heavy, but if you do something small and dainty like this, maybe a little hoop, like that would be cute if you are in need of a little situation like that. And when I was putting them on, I was like kind of scared because as you can see, they are very small little earrings. But putting them on, like I can tell that they are very strong little earrings. Like I don't think they can easily be broken, which is a good thing because I am so hard. That's why I like don't take stuff out. I'm like, ooh, I lose it, break it, something. But yes, you guys, pearls before swine. Cute. All right, y'all, so that is all that I got so far from Essence, and I think I'm gonna get like maybe one more thing. Literally, that's it, because again, I don't have a need for a lot of stuff. So I'm about wear what you got already, especially if you know you feel good about the pieces that you buy. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.